Hello everyone. President Cyril Ramaphosa made us believe that he wasn't well. Even his spokesperson Vincent Magwenya confirmed to the news that Cyril Ramaphosa had a mild flu, and one of the senior members in the ANC confirmed to Times Live publication that Cyril Ramaphosa wasn't feeling well, and the doctors told him that he had a flu-induced exhaustion and was ordered to rest. Hence, he cancelled his plans of reshuffling his cabinet last week. But the president was exposed or caught on Twitter. He was busy attending his side hustle Uncle auction, and pictures were circulating on social media showing the president at his PhalaPhala farm. Wilson took it to his timeline and wrote, "A great honor and privilege meeting he and President Cyril Ramaphosa and his family at dinner hosted at his PhalaPhala farm. I thanked him and he at Kaguta Museveni promoting the Uncle cattle for greater." Another one wrote, "President Cyril Ramaphosa could not announce changes to his cabinet yesterday, claiming that he was sick." On the same day, the president was seen selling uncles at his PhalaPhala farm. The country does not have a president. Even Carl Neyhouse took a swipe at the president and posted the program of the day at PhalaPhala auction and captioned, "He is ill, he has a flu, he procrastinates, he delays reshuffling, but Cyril Ramaphosa is in attendance and is a speaker at Uncle auction." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.